As a retrospective, what do you have to say about the design process? What have you learned, and what stands out for you?
So for the design process, first we looked at previous FRC games. We looked at about the past 10, 11 games, and we looked at the different aspects like the autonomous period, what they did in teleop period, and the end game. We saw that most of the end game in each game had hanging. And so we wanted to incorporate that in our game because we thought that challenges robots. And after that, we thought of what our theme should be. And so we thought of many ideas like Gold Rush or Capture the Flag. But then we agreed as a team that we should make it relevant to the pandemic. And so we made it about disease or something like that. And so we thought of robots, maybe they would cover openings to block, maybe they could cover openings with masks to block viruses from coming in. Or we can have robots sort healthy and sick people. But we agreed that we should make our game about vaccines and then making vaccines. And so from there, we thought of bringing it to a truck and a plane so that they could bring it to a high and a low area to challenge all types of teams, beginner and advanced. And we also added the synthesis tank as a way for robots to cooperate in the teams. And as for what I learned from this, I learned a lot of communication skills. At first, I was afraid of speaking out to my teammates that if I disagreed with them and if I thought the idea was not that great. But as I built my communication skills, I was more easily able to do that. And I also learned how to plan ahead because we planned ahead. We scheduled like when should we get this done? When should we have this decided? And we followed that plan pretty well. And so I think planning was also something I learned that we all learned really.